Shitty weather outside.
You just want to play a game. What if you're too close to your TV and your table is in a fixed position? Also, this is not the most comfortable table. Every time my back hurts when I play on it. Let me introduce you the gaming tray. Specifically designed just to sit at your computer and play your game no matter what. Easily removable. You can just take it off the chair. It fits in most chairs and you're ready to go. This is how it goes on. Right, this is how it goes on. And this is how it goes off. So it's easy as this. Gamer tray, a wireless keyboard will be recommended. Just attaches to the chair like this, and now you're ready to play Serious Sam. Time to get serious.
I got a bone to pick with you.
The project is quite simple to build, and you can put it over here too if you really want to. Yeah, I really like it. It's awesome. This is version 1.0. Let me know what you think at the bottom of the video. Is this something that I could make even better? And what would you do to it to make it even better? Because it's awesome as it is, but hey, you never know. Thanks for watching.